Welcome to my product sourcing and e-commerce moments in China, where I visit exhibitions, I visit factories to show you the future and latest machines and products. In my videos, you can find from materials, products themselves, and machinery to manufacture these products. And when I visit these exhibitions, I network with a lot of manufacturers, and after that I do visit their factories to do a further detailed product inspection and purchase the goods for my clients. In my future videos, I'll be showing you the manufacturing processes of a lot of businesses and my traveling to these factories, also networking with these manufacturers, testing products. And at these exhibitions, I did find winning products which I'll be posting in my future content. So please subscribe, drop a comment below, and like this video, and wait for my next very interesting video. Thank you for watching.